Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how can you fix the problem that your Facebook Messenger is not working. So just click on your Facebook and check here that my Messenger is working. But if you face a problem that your Messenger is not opening or working, so what you have to do, you have to click on the settings option here and then search here the app management. Just click on it. You will find here an option of app setting. Just click on it and then scroll down, find here the Messenger app. Okay, then click on it. You will find here such type of the options here about your Messenger. You have to just click on the permissions here and make sure that you have allowed all of the permissions on Messenger here. So after doing that, you have to go back and then scroll down. You have to click on the storage and the cache and then clear the cache here and then clear storage here like this. And yes, you have successfully done it. If this method also not works, so you have to click on the Play Store and search here the Messenger app and make sure that you have an updated version of Messenger in your Android phone. If not, you need to update this. But if it is also not workable for you, you have to just uninstall your Messenger app and then again install it. It will be the final solution for this problem. I hope you got this point. So that's all for today video. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.